candle power. One day, I was wondering just how much usable heat is stored in a single candle flame. That began a journey that started with this and has evolved into this. For over 4 years, I have gone through many dozens of changes and refinements and hundreds of tests to get to this setup you see here. I designed the Spin-Wick cooker to be used primarily indoors. If ever any of us were to encounter nuclear fallout or a dirty bomb, we would have to seal ourselves up tight inside our houses or shelters for a couple of weeks or more in order to survive. Most emergency food heating methods produce toxic fumes and smoke, and none of us want this in a sealed living situation. So this is my attempt to show you how to safely provide hot food, a little light and heat at such a dismal time. This super efficient little cooker can boil 16 ounces of water or soup in as little as 24 minutes and uses as little as 1/4 ounce of vegetable oil to do it. I made the Spin-Wick holder so that adjusting the flame is easy. 3 wicks provide more than enough flame to heat 30 ounces of food. I have found vegetable oil to be clean burning and safer to use. The fumes are much easier on my lungs than the fumes from propane, kerosene, gas, alcohol, or wood. When it gets on my hands, all it does is make them softer. If spilled, it won't start a fire. If accidentally splashed in the eyes, it won't burn them. Also, vegetable oil is an important part of many families' emergency food supplies. But vegetable oil goes rancid quickly, making it unhealthy to consume, and it tastes bad. Now, I don't throw away that rancid oil. I just set it aside to be used as fuel for emergency cooking. A gallon of cheap oil can heat 30 ounces of liquid foods over 330 times to 180 degrees. 2 people could each have 15 ounces of hot coffee, tea, soup, stew, or water for dried foods 3 times a day for 110 days. A family of 6 could have hot food for over 5 weeks on just $8 of vegetable oil. Everything that you need to make this cooking system can be found at Home Depot or Walmart, probably for under $100. I believe there is still a lot of room for improvement with this system. Maybe one of you will figure out how to make a small oven or an insulated frying pan system. Above all, be safe, use gloves around the hot liquids, keep all flames and hot liquids away from children. The first thing I will show you is how to make the Spin-Wick holder and its related items.